Hey everybody, it's Robyn and welcome back to my channel. Today on the Robyn's Nest, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this absolutely adorable turkey cake. He is so simple and so charming and will make the perfect centerpiece at your next Thanksgiving dinner. You do not want to miss this, so let's get right into it. So for today's cake, I baked up 3 6-inch chocolate cake layers, and we're going to begin by leveling these out so we can then stack, fill, crumb coat, and chill our cake. So I'm just going to take my trusty cake leveler and we're going to trim these down, and then I'm going to discard my cake tops. So once you've finished leveling your layers, it's time to stack and fill. So we're just going to take a small amount of icing and apply it to our cake board so our cake will have something to stick to. And I'm going to be covering my entire cake in chocolate American buttercream today. It's so good. So I filled each of my layers with a nice thick layer of chocolate buttercream, and my cake looks nice and even and level, which is very important. So now I can do my crumb coat. So I'm going to do a nice thin layer of icing all over my cake, and then we're going to pop it in the fridge to chill for about 20 or 30 minutes. So while we're waiting for our crumb coat to chill, we're going to start making some fun little decorations for our cake. So I've drawn up some stencils, and I have a cute little turkey tail. This is going to be really colorful and fun. We have our little turkey head and neck. Gobble gobble. We also have a cute little pilgrim hat for our turkey's head. He's going to be so cute. And we're also going to make a couple of wings for each side. So we're going to be making all of these decorations using Wilton's ready-made fondant, and I've colored all these using AmeriColor Gel Colour. And I'm not being sponsored to say this, I just really enjoy those products. So starting with our turkey tail, because this one's going to need the most amount of time to dry, we're going to start with a little bit of brown, roll that out, and we're going to start cutting out our shapes. Alright, that's it for our decorations, and I think they turned out perfect. I really hope you guys like them, and I hope you're enjoying the video too. If you are, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and some love in the comments section too. Okay, since these are done, and because they're flat, I'm actually going to put them on some parchment paper, and we're going to dry these in my food dehydrator for approximately 1 hour maybe 2 if I think it needs it. So I'm going to put these on some parchment, stick them in the dehydrator, and when we come back, we're going to do our final coat of icing. So with our decorations fully finished and off to dry for a little bit, this is actually our final step. So I'm going to do a nice generous final coat of icing, and then we're going to pop this in the fridge to chill. And once my decorations have fully dried and cooled down 100%, then we're going to do the final assembly, and I'll show you guys what he looks like. And ta-da! Here he is, guys. Isn't he just the cutest little turkey you've ever seen? I just love the way he turned out. I think he's perfect, and I really hope you guys like it too. If you did, you know what to do. Leave me a big thumbs up and lots of love in the comment section too. And if you haven't done so already and you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you receive a notification every time I post a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of the tools that I used during the making of this video, you can find links to those and more in the description box below. And these are affiliate links. I do make a small percentage per purchase, but they really help my little channel grow. So thank you, and thank you for watching. Happy Thanksgiving.